Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add search bar in Google Sites. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we first have to know the differences of a blank site as well as a templated site here. So you might notice sometimes if you create a blank site, it's going to be basically a clean slate. So you won't see anything with within that site. So just to give an example, I have this blank site here, and as you can see, you don't see much. And when you click on it and click on the option here that says View Published Sites, again, you won't see much. As well, the option to basically search anything here will not be available to you. But the good thing about using templated sites here in Google or in Google Sites, well, they actually offer a way for you to search for things. So especially for sites or basically websites that use templates, so they already have that search functionality. Now in this case, this is actually a template that I actually use from Google Sites. So let's go ahead and view this. So for example, View Published Site here. So at the top right, you should see a magnifying icon which is the open search bar, and from here you could go ahead and start searching for anything that you like. So the key takeaway here is if you want to add a search bar into your Google site here is I would suggest you to start from a specific template. Like for example, use any of the available templates that you have here. Like for example, if you have a portfolio or even a type of personal website here, we could go ahead and use those templates as well. Now, in this case, if you start from a blank site, then most likely the search functionality will not be available to you. So that's why if you want to add a search bar in your Google Sites, you need to use a template to ensure that you have that search. But now currently, if you're going to add a search bar to a blank site, or when you start in a blank site and you want to add a search bar to it, like currently Google Sites doesn't offer that as of this moment, so you won't be able to add a search bar if you started from blank site, which is kind of weird because I would prefer that they add this one. But yeah, so if you want to add that search bar, go ahead and use a template, and from there start building your site, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.